My Chinese-style breakfast, octopus fried rice and lobster chopsuey.
Hello! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. Today, magluluto tayo ng Chinese-style breakfast. Kaya eto na po siya, panoorin niyo po.
First, we'll do the fried rice. We'll just saute the garlic. And then we'll add in some chopped grilled octopus, to be followed by chopped carrots, then leftover rice are in. Season with salt and pepper according to your taste. Just mix or stir all the ingredients. Now, we'll make a space for some beaten eggs. Now pour the beaten eggs. Keep stirring. Nice! Octopus fried rice is now ready. Now we'll proceed to simple lobster chopsuey. All we need is a pack of lobster balls, which you can find at some supermarkets or in Chinese Korean groceries. Start slicing the lobster balls according to the slice that you want. Then, just fry them all. Lobster balls are ready. Just take them out one by one out of the oil. When lobster balls are done, let's start sauteing onions and garlics in a separate cooking pan. We'll also saute the sayote, carrots, and bagu beans. Then we'll just season them with salt and pepper according to your taste. Add gochujang sauce, which you can purchase from some Chinese Korean supermarkets and groceries. Now we'll add just a little bit of water and stir. Then cabbages are in. Mix well. Then lastly, we'll add the fried lobster balls. Just mix well and it's ready to serve. Our lobster chopsuey is finally done. Let's proceed to plating. You can top the fried rice with spring onions and the chopsuey with boiled baby octopus, and serve this breakfast to all your loved ones, which they will surely love. Such a great breakfast to start your day. Please subscribe to my channel for more recipe vlogs. Do you want to request for a recipe that you would like us to feature just for you? You can comment it down below at the comment section. Thanks for watching.